Bola Blue Eyes, a play by Julie Taro Oni, directed by Nathan Singh, and starring Sharendo Farrell, with sound by I. Quarles, illustrated by Sarah Akinta-Rinwa. Scene 1. Blueberry Slurpees. Bola, a black girl of 5 or 6 with ocean blue eyes, stands beside a beautiful wicker bassinet of many different shades of blue. She glimpses inside.
My baby. Good morning, beautiful Bemmy baby. I'm your big sister Bola, remember? Don't worry, my baby. Mama says that Papa went off for a work trip for a few days, but he'll be back soon. For now, it's just the 3 of us. The 3 girls. Shh, 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 shh. Pataki, pataki, pataki. I am special. Don't tell anybody this, but when I learned you'd be a girl, I cried. No lie. I'd been all alone for so long with just Mama and Papa, and when they told me a new baby was coming, I just knew it was the boy Papa always talked about.
One day, I will have a son, and he will look just like me. That's required for a decent man, you know.
He said it so much I believed it too. So when they told me that you were a girl, I thought it was a joke at first. Bradley West, a boy in my class, always tells jokes. Like one time, he told everyone that he heard that when Mama had me in her belly, she drank too many blueberry Slurpees from the 7-Eleven, so my eyes turned blue. I didn't laugh at first because I thought maybe he knew something I didn't. Mama does love blueberries, and I've never seen her drink a Slurpee, but maybe she did before I was born. But right after he said it, everyone laughed, so I knew it was a joke. I came home and told Mama and Papa the joke and thought that I could make them laugh at dinner since I didn't see them laugh very much at all. Well, they didn't laugh at this either. Because Mama drank too many blueberry Slurpees from the 7-Eleven. Do you get it? Does it make you laugh or no? Well, the next day, I told Bradley West that his joke wasn't that funny because I told it to Mama and Papa and they didn't laugh, so maybe it wasn't as good as he thought. But he said that the problem was that Mama and Papa were from Nigeria and people don't laugh there because they're too hot and starving all the time. I hadn't thought about that before. I knew that Mama and Papa were sometimes serious, but I thought that it was because they worked so hard and it made them very tired, not because they were from Nigeria. Mama's a seamstress and Papa's an engineer. We always use our air conditioning in summer when we need it, but in LA, in our neighborhood called Mid-City, it doesn't get too hot anyways, and we always have food to eat. So I don't think they're hungry. I don't think he knows anything about Nigeria. Pataki. You're so beautiful, and your blue eyes are pataki like mine and Mama's. Like, I can't believe it. Another girl just like me. I didn't see Mama drink blueberry Slurpees from the 7-Eleven before you came. Tell me, did she go at midnight while I was sleeping?
A first interlude. Bola sits on the ground and writes enthusiastically on a piece of paper.
Things that are blue. Birds, race cars, Mama's car, whales, some of the peacock's feathers, Papa's sneakers on Saturdays at the soccer field, his team color, Mrs. Williams' pen, the blankets on Mama and Papa's bed, Mama's favorite dress, the water in the ocean, the sign on the corner that says Pico, the sign on the other corner that says Fairfax, Papa's shirt when he goes to the Dodgers game, the water in Mia's fish tank, Fig the fox, ooh, Cookie Monster, and the circle with the words on Papa's phone when he sends a message to Mama, even when it makes her cry.
Scene 2. Real men smell like cinnamon sticks. Bola struggles to close her eyes as she nears the bassinet, tries to whisper.
Papa's been gone 7 days. Mama says that you're sleeping, so I better be sure I'm not bothering you. I don't know why she thinks I'd be a bother to you. We're sisters. She just doesn't get it because she's the only girl and she just has 2 older brothers. There are Uncles Taiwo and Kinde. You'll meet them when they come from Nigeria. They're twins. Their eyes aren't blue like Mama's, even though she's their sister. She never told me why she's the only one. Blue. That's blue in their language. I haven't heard Papa say it in 7 days. Mama says Uncles Taiwo and Kinde are coming soon because they know what real men should do. I'm not sure what she means exactly, but I'm pretty sure that they're real men because of these things. 1, their voices are like this. Oops. They smell like cinnamon sticks. That's number 2. Number 3, they're really tall. Like they're gonna have to drop to their knees to get a look at you. 4, when they talk to me, it's not like how Bradley West and the other boys in class do. They make me feel like what you say is the best thing anyone could ever say. like the words you've got are like the beauty of the bluebird. Like how everyone talks to blue-eyed Stacy White, the pretty girl with the yellow hair. They always say to me, Pataki. That means I'm special. 5, they're strong. Like Uncle Taiwo's muscles are bigger than your blue-eyed face. And 6, they eat a lot. I mean a lot. Like when Mama makes her plantain with eggs, they eat the whole blue pan full. So all that's left are the big blue plates beneath them. Not a single drop remains. And they wipe their faces with the blue cloth napkins. We usually have leftovers without them that Mama puts in the big blue fridge, but never when they're here. So when she says that they're real men, I guess she means things like that. But she makes it sound like some men must not be real. Like, what does a fake man look like, you think? Like, does he smell or talk? Is he tall? Does he have leftovers? How does he make you feel? Does he tell you pataki each day? You don't need to think about it for now. You don't know any men yet because, well, Papa's coming back real soon, probably before Uncle Taiwo and Kainde arrive. I guess his business is really important. He's gonna call, I'm sure. Like, write a letter or something. 7 days isn't too long to wait if he's in Nigeria, 'cause it's really far. Mama says since we're waiting, we need to entertain ourselves. She says when she's sad or lonely or feeling blue, she listens to the blues. She sits in the blue velvet chair beside Papa's record player and she takes out her favorite record. You don't know what records are, and neither do most kids in school. But I do, because Mama and Papa didn't bring much with them from Nigeria, but they sure brought some good music. Papa always says, I may be an engineer, but I will never become contaminated by Western technology and thinking. I'm not totally sure what he means, but he's always holding a record when he says it, so I guess they have the power to stop contamination. I'm not sure what contamination is yet, but I know technology means computers, and I know Westerns are those old movies with cowboys and Indians. We talked about it in class at Thanksgiving last year. Papa hates Thanksgiving, but Mama and I love turkey. We eat it on the big blue plates and have tons of leftovers. I wonder if a real man should feel the same way as Papa does about Western technology. We can ask uncles when they come. Anyways, Mama's albums are the blues, but Papa's are like, I don't know what they're call because I can't understand the words. They're Nigerian words, or as Papa says, Yoruba. Lots of drum sounds, and the words sound kind of funny. When he's had a long day at work, he sits down in the blue velvet chair and says, "So much Western outside, so much Bulu inside." And then he plays the records, closes his eyes, and he starts to sing and dance. He lets Mama play her records some days, but mostly she plays them when he's gone. Pataki, she says. Her favorite is named Muddy Waters. His name makes me think his eyes must be blue too. Blue like the water in the ocean. I'm a man, yeah. I spell M. A child. And that represent man. No B. Oh, child. Why? That spell menace boy. I'm a man. I'm a full-grown man. I'm a man. I'm a rolling stone. I'm a man. I'm a hoochie coochie man. I wonder if a mannish boy is a real man too.
A second interlude. Bola rides somewhat hesitantly, but with curiosity.
Things that are not blue. Chickens, wood, Papa's car, lions, the flamingo's feathers, Papa's sneakers every day except Saturday. Most other things in Mrs. Williams' classroom, besides my eyes, my clothes, and pretty Stacy White's eyes. Papa's pillow on the bed. Mama's wedding dress in the closet. That's white. The seashells in the ocean. The sign down the street that says Starbucks. Ooh, the sign the other way that says Target. Papa's shirt when he doesn't go to the Dodgers game. The fish in Mia's fish tank. Elmo. Bugs Bunny. And Mama's clothes when she has had a nice dinner in town with Papa.
Scene 3. Cursed by Blue. Bola curls up in a ball beneath the bassinet.
Papa's been gone 14 days. Pataki, pataki, pataki. I think Bradley West is a bad omen, Bemmy baby, and Stacy White too. You're lucky you don't have classmates and a classroom. Wish I was still a baby like you. Mama says I can't fit, but let me just...
She tries to climb into the bassinet, falls.
It can't be true.
She tries a few more times, still falling.
It's true, Bammy baby, we're cursed. A bad blue omen. We're not Pataki.
She struggles to take Bemmy from the bassinet, finally pulling her into her arms.
Something happened at school today, Bemmy baby. Mrs. Williams was giving us a spelling test, and one of the words was omen. We were learning about omens all week, so I knew I could spell it right. I also learned that they mean something that many people think has a special meaning, but usually a bad one. I wrote it down on the paper, O-M-E-N. And then, during the test, awful Bradley West raised his hand to ask Mrs. Williams a question. She asked if the question could wait, and he said no, because it was something that he needed to know so he could spell the word right. So Mrs. Williams told him to go ahead, and Bradley West said that he was studying for the spelling test last night with his dad, and he couldn't get the meaning right for omen. So his dad gave him an example. His dad told him not to say anything, but Bola from his class, the African girl with the blue eyes, that's me, is a bad omen to her daddy. It's not normal for black girls to have blue eyes. So since Mama already did, and then me, and now you, Papa figured we were bad luck. And he left 14 days ago. Bradley West said since Papa's Nigerian, he believes in this kind of weird magic stuff. We were all laughing together. Bradley West was telling another joke. I thought this one was better than the blueberry Slurpees. But Mrs. Williams became red like a strawberry after that and grabbed Bradley West by his arm. She took him outside the door and he didn't come back. Later, at recess, Stacy White sat down beside me. She told me that she had blue eyes just like me, and everybody told her they were beautiful, so I shouldn't worry. Someday, everyone will say this to me too. I looked at my arm beside hers, and I looked at her pretty blue eyes. I told her she was too ugly to sit next to me and to get away. She went to tell Mrs. Williams, so I had to go to the principal, and Mama came. She was wearing her beautiful blue jeans and blue t-shirt, and you were in blue cloth across her chest. She looked sad, and I wanted to make her happy. But when I reached for her hand, she pushed me away. She said Papa had had too much blue, and he thought the West would make it easier, but it was still too much, even here. So he had to leave to change his luck. And now it's been 14 days. Mama said she wanted Bradley West expelled. I'm not sure what that means exactly, but it sounded pretty serious, like a big punishment that I think he really deserves. The principal started to laugh, but then she stopped. She said,
"But what the boy said was true."
That's when Mama finally took my hand and said we wouldn't come back.
She looks down at her baby sister adoringly.
Pataki, Pataki, you are the most special baby in the whole wide world, Bemi baby. Uncles Taiwo and Kinde will agree when they come. For now, just me and Mama can tell you, but you'll see. Papa can't be gone forever, can he? It's just 14 days now, Bemi baby. Everyone doesn't know what they're talking about. I think we'll see him in 14 more. He's too tall and smells too much like cinnamon sticks to leave his babies. Pataki.
Bola, wearing a red dress, writes with anger, tearing her paper along the way.
Things that are bad omens. My awful blue eyes. Mama's awful blue eyes. Baby Bemi's awful blue eyes. The awful blue clothes Mama sews for us. Mama's awful blue car. The awful blue blankets on Mama's and Papa's bed. The awful ocean. The awful sign on the corner that says Pico. The awful sign on the corner that says Fairfax. Papa's awful shirt when he goes to the Dodgers game. The awful water in Mia's fish tank. Awful Fig the Fox. Awful Cookie Monster. And everything else blue except Stacy White's pretty eyes, since her blue is so beautiful.
She tosses her notebook across the room and screams. Scene 4. The world is blue. Bola sits on a quilt leaning over Bemi.
Something changed today, 15 days after Papa left, Bemi baby.
She exits and returns the shopping cart filled with blue items. She takes them out one by one, encircling her sister.
I was feeling too blue after what Bradley West said, and even Muddy Waters couldn't help. So Mama took me to the Target, even though their sign is not blue, which she says is okay sometimes.
Let's put every blue item we find into the cart, Bola baby,
Mama said to me.
These things will give us Bulu strength.
The first blue thing was the box of Pepsi at the door. I told Mama she never lets me drink it, and she said today I could. After that, we passed the section with the necklaces and things. I found some blue earrings, but told Mama my ears aren't even pierced yet. She said we'll save them for my 10th birthday, but I'll bet you'll get to wear them sooner. Then I got a blue shirt and sandals to match. Next, we went to the part of the store with things for the bathroom, and I got a fluffy blue towel, and in the next row I found a blue pillow and curtains. After that, Mama said she smelled something beautiful, so she took me to the candles, and we smelled so many blues. Clean linen, blueberry of course, but my favorite was ocean. We got 3, one for each of us. I started to get hungry, so Mama helped me find the blue Chips Ahoy and Oreos boxes. Like, she never lets me buy cookies. Can you believe it? And the last thing, Bemmy baby, we didn't put in the cart because I was worried it might break something. This is what I got just for you.
She exits and then returns with a blue globe.
It's the world. Do you see what color it is? Papa's been gone 15 days, but I'll show him when he's back. Mama says the world is blue and that the world is hard sometimes, but it's also very beautiful. She said there are many different colors in the world too, but blue touches all of them, so its power scares people sometimes. But she said,
just because something scares you, don't run from it. Fear makes you strong. Like Uncle's Taiwan Kahinde.
She said they're scared of her. Like, they're so big and she's so small. So I don't know how she can be scary to them. Do you?
She spins the globe and points to Africa.
Then she showed me Nigeria, and she said that there, her blue fabrics, the bulu, means something special. They mean love and harmony. We went to the line to buy everything, and the checker lady had a big smile on her face.
You ladies are beautiful,
she said. That made Mama smile, so I tried to smile too. When we got to Mama's blue car, she pulled me into her arms like when I was a baby like you.
Pataki, pataki, pataki. You are beautiful, Bola baby.
That's what Mama said. She said to me,
you are perfect. You're blue, you hold the world in your eyes. Imagine how scary that is for other people. Black girls with blue eyes are unnatural, yes, but also unusually strong. She lies down beside her sister and holds the big blue world up for her to see.
We are the world, Bemmy baby. That scares Papa right now, but he's a real man, and Bulu touches the whole world, so he'll come back to us. It's only been 15 days.
A fourth interlude. Bola wears a beautiful blue African dashiki. She writes with joy.
Things that are beautiful. Our eyes, our clothes, our house, our family. Los Angeles, Nigeria, and our whole Bulu world.